It's been a while since you've seen me, and I don't know how to start this video. If you don't know me, my name is Ashley, and I make Lolita content once in a while. And today we are doing an unboxing, or unbagging, whatever you want to call it. I haven't really invested in Lolita much this year. However, I did end up buying a skirt from an indie brand called Rebellious Lamb. I'm pretty sure they're based in Russia. Yes, I got the skirt in green, or mint, or whatever you want to call it. And I'm very excited because I finally got this a couple days ago. I think I pre-ordered it back in June or something. Like, I knew it was going to take a while because that's how pre-orders are. So yeah. How about we dig right in and we shall open this together. Okay. Covered the label so you don't see my address. Well, guess we're opening it this way. Okay, let's make sure there's nothing else in here. Nope. Okay, goodbye. So, look at this, the nice little packaging. Aw. Got a little postcard. And in the back it says, "Hi dear friend, we hope you will like your new skirt. We'll be waiting for your cords." Yeah, I'm so excited. So yeah, please check them out. They have some really interesting like designs. Like, I know they did a frog dress and an opossum dress, and my wallet would be screaming if I saw those at the time of the pre-orders. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh, I forgot I ordered the head bow actually. Oh my goodness. Oh. Look at the, hopefully the camera can get it. Let's see if I can, okay, sorry. It has a little charm, and like the little pearls. Oh, I love the lace, it's so cute. And it's so soft too. I'm gonna say this, I don't know if it's cotton or not actually. I'm pretty sure it is, but I could be wrong. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. Holy shit. This is why, like, I love getting Lolita pieces, especially like seeing it for the first time. It's just always amazing. The artwork is so beautiful. It's so cute. Also, fun fact about this piece. So it's like a skirt with like, what are these called? Straps. There we go. There's straps on here, right? So, but the nice thing about them is that you can actually remove them if you want. So if you just want the skirt but no straps, then you can do that. But I only have two skirts. I have a Otome Nostalgia and unnamed floral skirt, which is actually my first piece. And I really wanted more skirts. Like, I feel like skirts are not appreciated in the community. So I decided to buy this in skirt. And I chose green because I like the green colorway the most. I will show some shots, like close-up shots of this. And then afterwards, I will show you some coordinates. One thing I did not share on the unboxing video is that this skirt has pockets. So it's an instant 20 out of 10. For this first cord, I wanted to keep it simple with the long white blouse and the matching headbow with the skirt. I also kept on the straps from the skirt, and you can't see, but I'm wearing white OTKs with pink tea parties. It's a very simple but comfy coordinate. For this next cord, I took out the straps and still kept the head bow, but used one of my baby pink cardigans, and yeah, it's like it's a nice cord to wear for the colder months. This last cord, so the blouse that I'm wearing is not a typical Lolita blouse, it's just something that was given to me, but it kind of reminded me of the wool of the sheep, which felt kind of fitting given the sheep on the skirt. And then I paired it with a white flat bow that I have. And for my I'm also wearing white OTKs and again pink tea parties. I know that my coordinates are really lacking in accessories. For 2024, I definitely want to invest in more jewelry and more headwear accessories, things like that. So if you have any shop suggestions, please comment them down below. I would really appreciate it. Anyways, I will end the video here. I didn't really record a video for the ending, so I'm just gonna end it in this awkward auto recording. So see you in the next video. Goodbye.